Master your car's computer and electrical systems. Essential tips! Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into essential maintenance tips for your car's computer and electrical systems. Whether you're a seasoned car enthusiast or just getting started, understanding these systems is crucial. We'll cover everything from battery maintenance to protecting against voltage spikes. So let's get those engines revved and dive right into today's topic. Remember, a well-maintained car is a reliable car. Without further ado, let's get started with our first essential tip. The car battery is the heart of your vehicle's electrical system, powering all electronic components, including the ECU. Corrosion on battery terminals can lead to poor connections and voltage drops. Regularly, check the terminals for any signs of corrosion. Disconnect the battery, apply a baking soda mixture, and scrub with an old toothbrush. This small task can prevent electrical issues and ensure reliable power to your car's components. The Engine Control Unit, or ECU, controls your engine's functions, from fuel injection to ignition timing. Manufacturers release firmware updates to improve performance and fix bugs. Check for ECU updates during regular service visits. Keeping your ECU firmware up to date ensures better engine performance and efficiency. Fuses protect your car's electrical circuits from damage caused by overloads or short circuits. Knowing your car's fuse box location and layout can save you trouble. Replacing a blown fuse is quick and straightforward, getting your systems running in no time. The wiring harness in your car connects all electrical components to the central computer and power sources. Over time, these wires can become damaged or corroded, causing electrical issues. Regularly inspecting the wiring harness, especially in high heat areas, can help catch problems early. Properly maintaining your car's wiring harness ensures reliable connections and smooth operation of all systems. Your car relies on various sensors to feed data to the ECU, including oxygen, temperature, and throttle position sensors. Use an OBD2 scanner to regularly check for diagnostic trouble codes or DTCs to identify sensor issues. Address malfunctioning sensors promptly to avoid further complications. Keeping sensors in good order ensures the ECU gets accurate data, allowing smooth and efficient car operation. Grounding points in your car provide the necessary return path for electrical current, ensuring stable operation of all electronic systems. Regularly check grounding points for tightness and cleanliness, especially in areas exposed to moisture and dirt. Proper grounding is essential for your car's electrical system, preventing issues like flickering lights and power loss. Voltage spikes can threaten your car's sensitive electronic components. When charging or jump-starting, using a surge protector can prevent damage from sudden voltage surges. This small investment can save you from costly repairs and ensure your car's electrical systems last longer. The alternator charges the battery and powers the electrical systems while the engine runs. Regularly checking the alternator's output with a voltmeter ensures it's working correctly and providing the necessary charge. Maintaining a healthy alternator is crucial for the performance and reliability of your car's electrical systems. Electronic components, including the ECU, generate heat that needs to be managed to avoid damage. Ensure cooling fans and heat sinks are functioning correctly to prevent overheating. Regularly inspect and clean cooling fans and heat sinks for optimal performance. Keeping components cool ensures they operate efficiently and last longer. Moisture can wreak havoc on your car's electrical systems, causing short circuits and corrosion. Keep the interior dry, especially near sensitive components like the ECU. Keeping your vehicle dry protects the electrical systems from moisture exposure. When replacing sensors, wiring, and control modules, always choose OEM parts. They ensure compatibility and reliability with your vehicle's systems. OEM parts maintain your car's computer and electrical integrity. Don't compromise on essential components' quality. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Follow these tips to master your car's systems for a smooth ride. Subscribe for more tips on keeping your car in top shape. We post new videos regularly. Until next time, keep those engines running smoothly and stay safe on the road.